While today Kosovo has become a general term denoting a complex problem in which history is faced with our reality, from the 13th century Kosovo was the center of Serbian civilization, and its monasteries a source of extraordinary developments in art, architecture, manuscript publishing, and literacy. The monasteries are still there, designated as World Heritage Monuments by UNESCO, as silent witnesses of inevitable changes in power over the centuries. But recent conflicts have brought about the need for added protection from ignorance that breeds the threat of irreparable damage. The Christian Heritage of Kosovo and Metohija, published by Sebastian Press, introduces to a wide-reading public the oldest and richest treasury of Serbian medieval history and culture. Over 1,000 pages of carefully researched English text and high-resolution color imagery present to the reader the spiritual and cultural traditions of this Balkan region that is considered not just the birthplace of the Serbian nation, but more importantly, a holy land whose importance surpasses any geographical or national boundaries. This seminal volume deserves a place in the libraries of historians, art connoisseurs, Christian faithful, people of Serbian heritage, and anyone with an interest in broader civilizational trends. This monograph presents a renewable source of inspiration, insight, and understanding of the cross-cultural connections that transcend both time and space. This book draws more attention to the protection of the Christian heritage in Kosovo amid growing radical religious threats and the possible riots that could disrupt these sites and the Serbian Orthodox community. We strongly believe that the stability of the Serbian community and its holy sites in Kosovo are important factors of the overall stability of Kosovo and the region. The editor and publisher have the fervent hope that today's peoples in Kosovo and Metohija will be able to begin their discussions not from what divides them, but from what unites them, emphasizing in positive and constructive ways the areas in which a Serbo-Albanian ethnic symbiosis has existed. The Christian heritage of Kosovo and Metohija invites all to consider their differences in the light of history and of the future.